Hey guys, today I brought you into my studio and I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can make your own space on a budget. As for hanging up all your backdrops, we're going to use a jump rope and some tape, as well as these clips that I got from Home Depot. They're 99 cents each, so super budget friendly. They look like that. They're called spring clamps and they just open up like that. Let's talk about lighting. So your options are, obviously you have window natural light. That's the best lighting you're gonna encounter. But I am going to use a regular lamp for this video, and also we're going to include the poster and just a little bit better quality, but it is more expensive, so I'll link it down below if you want it. But this is called a reflector, and basically it opens up, and so it reflects the light from one side to the other, and on the back it is just black. For our lighting setup, we're gonna use one light, and I'm gonna have this plain background and my subject in the middle. I'm going to bring the light that I have around to one of the sides of his face, and the other side is now dark, so we're going to brighten that up using our poster board. We're going to bring it onto this side and reflect from that side to this side, and right there you can see automatically this side brightened up. So this is without it and this is with it, and it makes a huge difference. Now I'm going to show you the same thing but with the reflector. So this is going to do the same job the other one did, but a little bit better. So basically you bring it up and without and with it, so you can see the difference. So you position the light and the reflector or the board to however you want the light to be. So backgrounds. Our first option are these solid colored gift wraps. So this is just wrapping paper, and I picked this up at Dollar General, so any dollar store you should be able to find them. They were each $1. So this is just a huge roll of paper, and in theory it's the same thing because this has a hole here to put a rod through. You hang it up and bring it down. For the wrapping paper, all I'm gonna need is tape, and I'm going to unroll it carefully because it's really thin. Okay, so it's rolled out completely. So what I'm gonna do is not only have this one, but I'm going to add a second layer right here. And so there's a little bit more to the background than if you just had the one color, but I mean, you could just keep the one, or you could get two of the same one, and then it just makes a wider background. Our second option is this poster board, and this one actually opens up like that. So you can get the one that's just plain, or you can get the trifold. The trifold I got for $3 or $4, and then the regular ones I saw for $1. If you go with the poster board, you are going to have to tape it also. And I'm not going to go through that again, but it's basically just tape it up on all sides, and then it's left there. Same thing if you want to expand, you add another one, but basically if you just have one, you can have like this much space. Our second option is a sheet, and this is just plain white. I also have some blankets, so basically any pattern is gonna work. You have the option of using the clamps that I had mentioned before that I bought at Home Depot, and you can clip them onto a rod that you have, a curtain rod or a broom, and then you put it over any surface you have so that you don't have to sew that the line on your blankets or your sheets, so it's not like a hassle to get it out. Our final option are fabrics. So I have them in every color, and there's different designs and patterns. I also have like metallic ones. See, they like reflect a little. So any color is really gonna work, and you pick those up at any fabric store. You could choose to sew on a line down the top, so you can see right there. And basically that's going to create a hole here so that you can put your tube or your rod through it. So we're gonna take the jump rope and our piece of fabric. This one is, I believe, 3 yards long. I have the one with the hole I sewed on, and if you don't have it, you can just clamp it on, like with the clamps I showed before. Since I have the hole, I'm just gonna put my jump rope through and bring it all the way to the other side. So I'm done, I put my jump rope through, and I have a little bit left on each side. So we're gonna tape that on. So I set that up, and now we're just gonna grab some more tape, and if you see these wrinkles, you might want them in your shot, and if you don't, all you have to do is put a lot more tape on the sides. Okay, so that worked pretty good. I didn't tape that side because I'm only gonna be using this area right here, but you keep adding tape until you find that it looks as good as you want. And I also forgot to mention that they sell these little versions of the same clips for 50 cents. So if you wanted a smaller version that's not so heavy, that's also an option. I hope you enjoyed, and also if you want to see a professional or a little bit more high budget studio and how to set that up, I could do that too. Just let me know if you want to see that also. And I'll see you next time.